How to make tempe geprek. First, prepare the ingredients: garlic and red onion, chili, tomato, spring onion cut into small pieces, salt for seasoning, and seasoning powder, 2 eggs, flour, thyme and cabbage, and water. Okay, all the ingredients are ready. Break 2 eggs and namely salt and burnt seasoning, then beat, and the spring onions. Next, make flour dough. Add burnt seasoning, seasoning powder, and salt. Pour water and stir until evenly. Pour the oil, then add the onions, garlic, red onion, chili, and tomato. Fry until slightly reddish. Mash everything until it's quite smooth. Fried egg. Cut the egg into 4 parts. Take one and put into the wet flour mixture. Back and forth until all the flour dough sticks evenly. Do the same for the other egg pieces. Like this, the result after the eggs that were coated with flour were fried and then pounded one by one. Eggs geprek ready to be served. Good luck!